Mr. Wheeler here, and today I'm actually going to teach you how to do a magic trick yourself. This is something that you can do for your friends. It's pretty cool. It will make it seem as if you can move things with your mind. So, let me come out from around the table here, and we're going to show this nice and close up, because this is how close you're going to be when you do it for your friends. So, this is a little piece of plastic, and if you watch very, very closely, I'm going to move it with my mind. Now, it's very important. There are no strings or anything like that attached to it. And yet, with just the wave of my fingers, you'll see it slowly start to bend a little bit. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh? And watch this. We can make it go back the other way. And we can even make it go farther the other way. Isn't that crazy? Look, see, it just stays right there. Look at that. Now, comes back. Yeah, that's crazy. Now watch. We'll do it even more. Summon all of my powers. Yeah. And push back the other way. Oh. Oh no. I think I broke it. Let's try it one more time. Oh, not broken. All right, now let's see if it'll come back to me. Oh, and up. Oh, ready? One more time. 1, 2. Now you think maybe, oh, somehow he's got a string attached to it. Watch this. Without even you moving my hand, will stay right here. Stay hand. It will still move with just my mind. And watch, ready? It'll go back. I'm going to teach you guys how to do this because it's really a fun little trick that you can show around to your friends. So first, what you're going to need is, number 1, a plastic baggie. Now make sure you ask your parents, because parents don't like it if you just swipe plastic baggies. Now, the only part of the plastic baggie we're going to be using is this part right here, the sealed part, the part that like closes up the plastic baggie. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Make sure you ask your parents before you play or use scissors. Don't play with scissors, just use them. And maybe even have your parents do this for you, right? So that they know that you're using their plastic baggie, and maybe they can cut the plastic baggie for you, because these things don't always cut the easiest if you haven't done this a bunch of times. So all you do is you remove that top part. This part, make sure you throw it away. Scissors, make sure you put them away someplace safe. And now you have your tool. Now, all you're going to do, and this is the crazy part, all you got to do is you're going to take your fingers like this, right? This is where it sits right here, like that. And all you're going to do is you're going to move your thumb. This is your thumb, right? You're going to move it down, and that brings it towards you. You're going to move it up, and that brings it away from you. That's the whole trick. It's really easy. Watch, see? My thumb, as it goes down, it bends the thing this way. As my thumb goes up, it bends it that way. Right? It's pretty cool. But to sell a trick, just like any magic trick, if you're just like, hey, look like you do this, I mean, it's kind of cool. But if you really want to make it look like you're doing something, there's this weird secret in magic that I will teach you. The harder you make something look, the more people believe you. Because if I was just to be like, hey, look, moved it with my mind, ta-da, people would be like, I'm pretty sure he did something with his hand. Like, people figure it out faster. But if you go like, and it's like barely moving, people think that that's like cool. Alright, back to the top. Just like that. See, and that's how you do it. So remember, it's just that movement right here with your thumb. Your thumb's going to go down, and it'll come towards you. Your thumb's going to go up, and it's going to go away from you. And it doesn't take much movement at all. See, watch real close. All right, see, like I barely moved it at all, and it already brought the thing all the way here. And I go up like that, see, it barely moved it. All right? And people aren't going to be looking at that. They're going to be looking up here. They'll be like, oh. they're gonna be like, oh, he probably has strings. And you look, you go, oh, no strings. And they can even check. You can like hand it to them. And they can be like, oh, there's no strings, right? It's really cool. All right, so remember, thumb down moves it towards you, up moves it away from you. That's a cool trick. And you go and you can like fool your parents with this and be like, hey mom, I can move things with my mind. And she's gonna be like, go move the stuff in your room to clean it up. Anyways, all right, my friends, hey, hope you guys are having a great day. Man, I miss you guys. I hope you guys are doing well, and can't wait to see you guys again. Yeah, I guess that's all for today. Love you guys, miss you. See you in the next video.